So yo, what's up? This is about making your own custom seasoning mix, which can be great for cooking if you like to cook. So here is the mix I got going, and I need to shake it because what I do, I'll tell you and show you, is I first get containers that are such like this or something like this. This is sort of the base of the seasoned custom mix I make because it's salt-free 17 seasoning Lowry's. Costco also, I think, makes the Kirkland brand, which can be good, but I start that as the base. So it's maybe like 30 to 40% of that, the no salt seasoning. I sometimes add in some like parsley, thyme, crushed red pepper, turmeric, so on and so forth. So for example, here is some ground thyme, which I mixed in. Sometimes I like to add a little Old Bay. Yeah, what's up, Chesapeake Bay? Little bit of Old Bay, and then I put in a little bit of turmeric sometimes. And I actually like to have two spice mixes going because I like to have them be a little different. This one I don't put any turmeric in really, and it's mostly that no salt seasoning. Garlic is my second staple. So first, mostly this. Second, mostly garlic powder. And then a bunch of miscellaneous stuff like the thyme, crushed red pepper, ground black pepper, organic turmeric. And really, you can add whatever spices you like. You can also use empty containers of these, and if you want the larger size to mix. Celery seed's good. It's good to have a lot of celery seed. I like that. Old Bay has some celery seed in it already. And then again, once you mix it together in the proportions you like, you just shake it together. You just shake it up. That's what's up. Because you want to get it evenly distributed. So when you just dump it on whatever you make, I like cooking with cast irons are good to cook with. So if you're making like shrimp, you just put the shrimp in the cast iron, a little bit of olive oil, and you just dump seasoning on it. You just dump it. Same thing if you're using a crock pot. Whatever you're putting in there, you just dump spices in between as layers in the crock pot. So like with my sort of classic crock pot recipe is carrots, celery, potatoes, onions, and chicken. I'll say that again. Carrots, onions, potatoes, celery, and chicken. And then I like putting the carrots at the bottom because I think they cook better at the bottom. And then I put a little bit of water with some olive oil, and then I dump spices on that. And then I usually put the chicken over top of the carrots so it's not quite just sitting on the bottom of the crock pot. And dump more spices on top of the chicken. Boneless thighs, boneless breasts, both good. You can do turkey legs with the bones in if you like that. And again, just dump spices on that. And then I like to put potatoes and onions on top of that. I usually like to put the celery towards the top. I think it cooks better that way. But again, you just shake these up. You mix it, shake it up. So again, you can use whatever spices you like. I try to be pretty low on salt, so there's not a lot of salt in these. But if you like salt a lot, you can use a lot of salt. So that's the gist of my strategy with this. Again, get an empty container of this to start. Again, I use that no salt seasoning is like 30-40%, garlic another maybe 10-15-20%, some celery seed, thyme, rosemary, crushed red pepper, salt, black pepper, Old Bay, anything and anything or everything that you feel like. So that's Michael 10's, Scott 10's strategy for spice mixing, because it's good to have spices. And just whatever you're cooking, just dump spices on. This also sort of saves money because you're basically having spices in bulk, and you can customize it to your particular tastes. So that's my spice strategy. It's good to have a spicy life, a spicy existence. Look at that. Look at that. Delicious. Anyhow, I'm going to end it there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, watch my other videos, visit my websites, read my books, listen to my music, and have a wonderful morning, evening, afternoon, or night, whenever and wherever you may be. Cheers, serenity, and limitless peace.